Well, when we're talking about the 3D printer technology available nowadays, it is one of the top 10 technologies as suggested for last few years by Gartner as well. 3D technology, 3D printing technology is being used now not only in education, basically it is for medical, the manufacturing sector, and every sector basically is moving with this particular technology. As the cost of 3D printers are getting low day by day, this is accessible to even for a common man or for the schools which cannot afford to the very high-end technologies. So anything we want to have a die making, before going for the actual die, we can have that complete preview of the model using this 3D printer. Now we can see this 3D printer. This 3D printer is printing one particular model where the command is being given by the computer here. Right? So you can see this is the Fabster 5.2 software which is printing this particular model right now, and step by step the temperature and every step is being recorded here. Now what about the 3D printer technology? We can see the Google, right, in order to analyze what this technology tells about and what all the people around the world is discussing for this particular technology. So we can just go for this Google, right? And in this Google, if I just say 3D printer, I can say the 3D printer is used everywhere in the clay or model making, in schools, in glass and a food technology everywhere. So what about this technology, right? Where all this has been used? Now every magazine, you can say this EFI magazine of last year October 14, and similarly this particular edition of February, the March 2015 is basically is been filled with a 3D printer only. So we have to get into this if we want to gear up with the future.